Hey guys, we're Mike and Kathleen of woodshopmike.com and welcome to episode 2 of Scrap Wood Tool Challenge. So Mike, just to remind the viewers at home, if you didn't catch the results of last week's tool challenge...
We don't need to talk about that. Alright.
Who was it?
It was you.
It was me. Awesome. Let's see if I can pull it off again.
You done?
I'm done.
Alright. So for this week's episode, I'm going to be using some scrap plywood. I've got some 3/4 inch and some 1/4 inch plywood here. What do you got?
I've got a beautiful piece of walnut, as well as exactly 14 38 special casings.
She's already won. Unnecessary walnut. Alright, well, good luck.
You'll need it.
Thanks.
So we've set some stakes to make this more exciting. If Mike loses this week, he's got to kiss 3 shop tools of his choice at the end of his Friday stories. But if I lose, I've got to wear his grungy overalls in Friday stories. You decide.
All right, Mike, what'd you make?
I made a sandpaper organizer, and I got it done just in time.
Yes, you did.
Yes, I did.
Like a second to spare.
Yes, but it is together. Got slots for 60, 80, 100, 120, 180, 220, 320, and 400. And space for unknown. So let's see what Kathleen made.
I made a peg game like you find on the table at Cracker Barrel when you sit down and you wait for your meal.
Nice. You had to go overboard with the walnut.
Ah, yeah,
And,
for sure.
Looks like you've got some spent ordnance in there.
Yes, the key is they're spent. Please do not play this with live rounds.
I mean, you could.
It'd be very exciting.
Alrighty, well, those are our projects. You know what to do. Go to Instagram stories and vote for mine, and we'll see who the winner is.
And until next time, have fun making something.
See you guys.
Bye.
I need to exfoliate a little bit.
2 of the scrap wood.
Yes, outtakes.
Bleep. I'm going to be using this beautiful piece of maple and
Is that maple?
version of the peg game that everybody has at Cracker Barrel.
That's inappropriate.
That's a little more inappropriate than we should probably lead off with.